If you coach or train with a 360 feedback tool, here's an okay tip, a best practice of ours that might help you. Content versus marketing. This 360 insight is critical. When having a discussion with somebody about his or her 360 feedback, remember that any deficit or challenge to the reported data suggests either a content or a marketing issue. Content issues are legitimate and recognize deficits in ability or skill set. For instance, I may get feedback from raters that I lack empathy, and I agree with it. My issue would be one of content. I lack empathy. And my resulting action plan would take on development and active engagement with empathy behaviors. However, I might come back at you as a coach and suggest that my empathy skills are actually quite good and that the feedback is just incorrect. My raters are wrong. They don't get or can't see or won't admit that I'm an empathic person. If this is my stance as your client, I have a marketing issue. My empathy is fine, or so I say, but I'm not displaying it or showing it in a way that people around me notice. Either way, I have something to work on. I lack content, in which case I have a deficit of skill or awareness, or I have a marketing issue, in which case I must find a new way of displaying or engaging a given behavior. Remembering that all 360 challenges will be either content or marketing issues keeps the client always accountable and able to take action. Beware that without the content marketing distinction, clients can too easily claim that critical feedback is merely incorrect and refuse to even consider changing their behavior.